Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a little DIY project. I'm going to be creating the Hollywood vanity mirror, the mirror with bulbs around it. Now, usually these mirrors cost hundreds of pounds. I mean, when I looked, they were around about 100 to 200 pounds, and I really wasn't going to be spending that much money on a mirror when I can do it for myself for literally about 21 pounds. So I'm going to show you how I created this mirror. This is what it looks like, and the bulbs cost me about £13.95 from Amazon, and the mirror costed me about £7.50 from IKEA. So everything is just around what, 21.9 pence, something like that, about £21. It costs less than £30, people. So if you want to know how I created this, then keep on watching. So these are the things that you'll need. You of course need a mirror, the bulbs, scissors, a pen, some tape and a measuring tape or a ruler. This is what the bulbs look like. I love that. Find yourself more beautiful. So cute. And it comes with 12 stickers. There are 10 bulbs in this one. You can also get more bulbs. So I think there's like a 14 and maybe an 18 or 21, but I just got 10. It does have 2 extra stickers, and this kind of just shows you the instructions. Please excuse my nails, that was horrible. So you're gonna wanna detangle all of this. The first thing to do is grab your measure tape and measure where you want to place your bulbs. Once you've done that, you just want to place the sticker on the bulbs, and once you're ready, go ahead and peel the back layer of the sticker off and stick it onto the mirror. Okay, so the way I'm going to tidy my wires the way it is, I'm going to pull these two together and twist it a little bit. And I'm doing this with one hand, so please bear with me. Twist it. I can't even twist it. Oh my god, my hand is so slippery. Yeah, so twist it and pull it back and tape it like so. Obviously I'm going to do it that a little bit more tighter so it's not visible, but again, it depends how you want to do it. You can just go straight into just pulling it back like that, but I don't want to do it like that because then you'll be able to see the wires. So I want to try and hide this as much as possible, so let's do that now. This is what the back looks like. It does look messy, but I mean, you're not going to see it anyway. You can kind of put some more tapes around it, which is what I'm going to do just to secure all of the bits in place. I didn't twist it too hard because I don't want to, for it not to work. So kind of just did it lightly. So let's have a look what this looks like. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like, and I am so in love with it so much. I can't believe I made this for less than £30. Oh my god. I also kind of tucked this away behind my thing with some tape again. So turn it off, on, excuse up there. I'm trying to sort it out still. I mean, it looks very messy at the moment, but that's in process. Yeah. So you can also dim the light as well, which I think is so cool. Oh, look, make it darker, 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 darker. And there's 3 colors, so I love this one. And here's a lighter one. Oh my god, this is so great. The mirror actually does come with like all the supports and stuff to put on a wall to give it more support. But I don't want it on a wall, so I've kind of just put these little clips things on it. They're just cable holders to put on a table, and it holds your cable. I think this was like 50p from Class Ohlson or something, but it works great. It kind of just supports the mirror so it doesn't fall off like so. And that's it for the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this. I will link everything down below in the description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!